In this video, I will show you how to create and post Facebook stories. Now, on your profile, you can tap this button, Add to Story, to start creating your story. You can also create a story from your feed. And on this next screen, you can create a music story. And you just need to choose a song from the Facebook audio library, then add a background and other things like stickers, text, and effects. You can also make drawings and tag people before sharing your story. You can also create a text story, and you just need to type your text, then change the text font, and also change the background before sharing your story. And down here, you can create a photo story, and you can upload the photos from a device or capture them with this camera feature. And you can always feature the green screen or the boomerang or take a selfie. You can also use the rear camera and turn the flashlight on or off. And with the photo, you can add stickers, text, music, and effects. You can also make drawings and tag people before sharing the story. And back to the camera, you can also capture videos and use them as stories. And as you can see, you can feature the boomerang, layout, and effects on your video. And to take the video, you just need to tap and hold on this capture button. And from there, you can go on to add things like stickers, text, sound, effects, and the captions. You can also trim your video, make drawings, and tag people. And before sharing your story, you can first save it to your phone and also make some preference settings. And if you open your story, you can see the people who viewed your story and also see the comments. And from your story, you can also add another one and create a collection of them and also share them to Instagram. And if you tap these three dots, you can perform other tasks, including sending your story on Messenger, archiving it, or even deleting it, or waiting for it to disappear after 24 hours. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it and if you want to grow and succeed on Facebook and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.